Today we're going to do half face portraits. So you're going to complete a drawing that will connect to your face either vertically or horizontally. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off with a piece of sketch paper, okay? And you're going to decide, do I want it vertical, which is the harder option, or do I want it to be horizontal? So from the nose down, okay? So the vertical option, you will be doing your eye, your nose, and your mouth. And the horizontal option, you'll be just doing your nose and your mouth and your chin. Okay, so let's begin. Drawing your face in proportion is actually very difficult. So I'm gonna teach you a little trick to make sure that we get it right. So what you're gonna do is you're going to actually hold up the piece of paper next to your face, or actually on your face. And you're going to draw little marks on your paper as it's on your face where you're going to place the parts of your face, your eyes, your nose, your mouth. For example, like this. So I'm gonna hold it up, and my eye is about here. My nose, and my mouth. Okay, so what I did was I marked the areas that I will need. You will be using your mirrors for this. Okay, so you're gonna hold your mirror up or put it on the table and look in the mirror and do that. Then another important thing is getting the size of your face correct. Okay, so I'm gonna mark where my hairline starts and where my chin is. And then we're gonna just kinda figure out where the side of our cheek is. Okay, and that leaves you with a guideline. So I've got my forehead, my eyes, nose, mouth, cheek, and chin. Okay, from here you're going to begin your drawing, okay? So you're going to complete the eye, the nose, the mouth, so on and so forth. Now at this point you're going to decide, do I want it to be silly, or do I want it to be something that is realistic? So do I want it to actually look like the other side of my face? Okay, in that sense you're going to be spending a lot of time making it look real. Or do you want it to be silly? Like, do you want half of your face to be a dog face? Do you want half of it to be a clown, or something like that? Okay, so you're gonna make that decision and then draw it on your paper. So just a quick example, say I wanted to draw half clown from It. Okay, so I would want to match up my nose, my mouth, and my eye. So as you can tell, it's just a little bit off. I want to move the nose up a little bit, the mouth down a little bit, and the eye down a little bit. So you're going to keep working and get those matched up. Okay, when you have a sketch that you think is done, you think it looks great without color, what you're going to do is go over to the light box. So you're going to go to the back of the room and get a light box and turn it on. You will put your sketch on the light box. If it is difficult to see your sketch, you're going to want to outline that in Sharpie. And then you're going to choose one of the skin color papers. You might want to place your hand or something down so that you can tell which one you would need. Okay? After you choose the one that you would want, you put that on top and trace your design on the new paper. Okay, so after you trace it onto your final paper, you're going to want to start coloring. You're going to use lots and lots of layers of color pencils. So here are some examples of finished projects. So here is it, and a melting half face. Okay, so with any of the examples, you want to make sure that they look like they connect to your face and complete your face. So you can do something kind of goofy, something sort of realistic with a little bit of silliness to it, or just a complete portrait.